Hey guys, it's Ella
and Lily.
and today we're going to talk to you about Newton's 3 laws of motion.
To start things off, I'll tell you about Isaac Newton's early life. So he was born in 1643 in Lincolnshire, England, but unfortunately his father passed away 3 months before his birth. So when Newton was young, his mother decided to remarry, and she moved away, leaving his grandmother to care for him, so Newton's grandmother actually raised him.
In 1665, Newton's university closed due to an outbreak of the plague in Europe. He returned home and began to study optics, gravity, and calculus. One day, he went outside and sat underneath an apple tree. But did you know that the apple didn't actually fall on Newton's head? Instead, he witnessed an apple falling from a nearby tree.
However, it is true that this experience led him to write his 3 laws of motion. So his first law of motion states that a stationary body will stay stationary unless an external force is applied to it. To demonstrate this, I'm going to keep Ella stationary and apply a force to her by pushing her, and she's going to move.
Newton's second law states that force is equal to mass times acceleration, and a change in motion or speed is proportional to the force applied to it. To demonstrate this, we're going to take 2 chairs, and I will be sitting in one, and the other will be empty. Lily's going to push us, and we're going to see which one goes farther.
Finally, the third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To demonstrate this, we're going to have a collision with 2 chairs, and we'll see the equal and opposite reactions.
Sadly, Newton died on March 31st, 1727, due to indigestion and poor eating habits. One day he blacked out and he never woke again.
We leave you with this. I don't know what I may seem to the world, but as to myself I seem to have only been like a boy playing on the seashore and diverting myself now and then in finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than the ordinary, whilst the great ocean of truth lay undiscovered before me.
These were Newton's final words before his passing. You can interpret it however you would like, but remember to keep being curious and exploring the unknown, and don't forget to question what you don't understand.
Thanks for
watching.
Alright, so, in case you forgot, Newton's first law states that a stationary body will stay stationary unless an external force is applied to it. So, Ella is stationary.
Yeah.
She's not moving.
Not moving.
And my hand is the external force. And she moved. Alright.
Okay.
So next,
Newton's second law.
the second law states that force is equal to mass times acceleration, and a change in motion or a change in speed is proportional to the force applied. So,
Here we go.
we're going to sit in a chair. I'm going to push both the chairs. This one's empty, so it has less mass, and this one is occupied, so... Stuck. Alright. Okay. So the third law states that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So we're gonna have a collision here.
Okay.
Throw the chair.
Set, go.
It kind of worked. And that's all for the demonstrations.
Hey guys, it's Ella
And Lily.
and today we're going to talk to you about Newton's 3 laws of motion.
Would you stop laughing? There she goes.